Start gotta.
Hello, this is Rajesh Naidu from C2 Slot. So our team members Sai Sahil and Manoj Kumar, we did a project on fitness app and research paper. So the main abstract of this project is, so this is a table components which are given in project, and the abstract is, you can see this fitness app works as, when you go for a manually, you can see only Fitbit like watches and some other calculators in hospitals. Nowadays, everybody are active in Android phones, so they are very confident on apps. So we have we have started one idea to implement an app on Play Store. So this gives an accurate, but whereas in manual, in introduction part, we have given what are the implementation is done and what are the modules which are involved, like a psychological, social, spiritual, and physical components. So this dawn of fitness goes for physical, mental, and psychological well-being. Scroll. Hey Sahil,
Scroll, bro.
dawn, the dawn of fitness. Hey, కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ స్క్రోల్ జరా కిందికి. Considering natural fitness. So physical health benefits are like decreased danger of malady, lower pulse, lower resting pulse, expanded muscle clarity, expanded bone thickness, and some of the mental benefits are reduced stress level, lower risk of developing depression, and some of the appearance-based benefits are like improved posture, reduced appearance of body fat. So if you see in an existing system, there are some records maintained in existing system, like you can't see a perfect diet. If you see a perfect diet in one other website and you have to go for timings which are required for the diet plan in another website, and you can't get a perfect diet, and some of them are made for physicians or doctors for a perfect diet. And the calculation, when we are moving across the steps, there is only step calculator and heart rate, pulse rate, everything. But in our proposed system is, we have included diet plan according to the weight, height, age, everything. So this diet plan are confirmed with the accessing app to do in a available to the client. You need to click using a mouse. Everything is available on the tips of the hand. So the DFT diagram we have included in parts, like you can see there are fitness management, which is useful to generate fitness report, and members management to report members report, management facility, and a general facility report. So these are the some of the components which we are included, and the next components which are explained by my friend Sahil will explain you.
These are the description
Sahil,
of our
explain.
fitness app. And the modules present in our app is login module, main menu, fitness module, confirmation module, combo pack module. In the login module, in this module, we can log in this. We can store our records in it. Wherever we need, we can log in and we can continue our record. We can sign up for our new user login. This is the interface of our app. It looks like this. And in the main menu here, we can get all the information from the user and also contact information if any issues of recording. We can mainly go to fitness option, further process record goes on, and that interface looks like this. In the fitness module, the three types of buttons will be there. They are intermediate, beginner, advanced. In the confirmation module, after click button in the above module, in this module will appear, so that they can select no number of persons and confirm the details. In the combo pack module, if number of persons more than 6, this module will appear and the user can choose the pack as they want. It looks like this. In our proposed features in the app, features made different from other fitness apps. We made BMI checking, that is body mass index, diet plan according to the ages, workout record notes, and this is the code for our app. And the interface for fitness app is this.
Yeah, these are the modified interfaces which is shown by my friend.
And now my friend Manoj will continue the maintenance part.
Maintenance is the one of the phase where the modifications are done after the product is delivered. This mainly deals with the fixing defects modifications which give risky maintenance, involve the changes in the client requirements. marketing conditions and system modification and organization change. In our fitness app management system, maintenance comes into picture when any new website for the same system comes into existing, which makes our system to be modified and redefined to overcome the problem with existing one. Maintenance is involve the system adaptability to the different environment and also is the uh, order to users. Conclusion. So we saw in how many different ways the mobile fitness app help us in maintaining our health. We saw how the technology can be guided towards the healthy lifestyle. It helps people struggling with obesity to adopt a healthy workout routine powered by these apps. By this key, by they can prevent harmful cardiovascular and cancer diseases. For this project, we have successfully done all modules which are mentioned above. Login home proceed combo packs. Also sign up from it required. The fitness app management therefore satisfy the user security, provide details, user database online. The proposed system is well executed and it is far better and secure than the existing system.
Rajesh will continue the research paper part.
So these are some of the research papers we have referred from some of the journals and the net. So the first paper we have article we converted this because of this article we came to know what are the burning questions raised to implement the new type of a system. So this is abstract where you can see the number of functionalities and the keywords of this are some distance magnetic, and the introduction goes for keywords are like magnetic sensor, distance magnetic, and the traffic. So these are some of the introduction which is given in the paper. So traffic density controlling. So there are some sensors which are included in smooth clearance for emergency vehicles. Every sensor on the lane do same thing. So infraction of a time control box, calculate the heavy density, allow the lane barrier to open on property wise. So the next paper, if you see, vehicle and the barrier to allow the ambulance. So this fitness allow throw a notification to the near hospital, and it also shares the location of the patient to the hospital. So the next paper, if you see, so the power consumption of a app and schematic. This is a schematic representation where the perfect location for the sensors and everything. And if you go for conclusion part, it gives certain minimal consumption of power concept very effective in reducing the power consumed by this design. So these are some of the reference papers that are given here, IEEE and some of the sensor magnetic, which are referred to the website also. Okay, thank you, sir. This is our project.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for considering our project.
Manoj.
Okay, bye.